Hi everyone, I'm back. So, did you miss me? Um, okay, sabi ko nga hindi. So, where did we stop again? I remember, on the dialect. Okay. So, let's continue the topic and discuss Australian versus American versus British. So, next, we're gonna talk all about the American, British, Australian. Yay! We are the halfway, who are always active when it comes to the English languages. Also, this is their native language. Native language. Next, dealing with main variety of English. We have American, Australian, and British English. English is the most widely spoken language in the United States of America and is the common language used by the federal government, considered the de facto language of the country because of its widespread use. American English is often used by the people going to America to ensure clear communication, especially when asking a question, buying something, or talking to the others. Australian English began to diverge from the British English after the founding of the colony of New South Wales in 1788 and was recognized as being different from British English by 1820. It arose from intermingling of early settlers from a great variety of mutually intelligible dialectal regions of British Isle, and quickly developed into a distinct variety of English. Australian English is very different from American English because some words like candy in American English are called lollies in Australian English. They have different meaning for a certain words because their English isn't the same. Next is British English. Slightly regional variation exists in formal, written English in the United Kingdom. English is a West Germanic language that originated from Anglo-Frisian dialects, brought to Britain by Germanic settlers from various parts of what is now northwest Germany and the northern Netherlands. Australian and British English used to be the same, but they started to split after the colony of New South Wales was established. British English sound a bit more refined because their way of speaking feels different from the English spoken in other countries. It sounds more formal, especially when the Harry Potter movies came out, where the languages stood out and people started imitating it. Like in other countries, British English also differs meaning for a certain words. Next is characteristic of American English, British English, and Australian English. British and Australian English tend to have the softer R compared to American accent that typically pronounce the R, such as car, which has a hard R sound in the American English pronunciation and an A sound in Australian and UK accent. However, as a language learner, it is very important to observe the characteristic and differences in language use. That is the key to learn a language well. From the three main aspects, phonetics, vocabulary, and grammar. The following presents a brief comparison of the two most widely used variety of English language. Next, we have the pronunciation can be rather different. As an example of that, in American and British, in American, we have elevator. In British, the translator of elevator is lift. In American, we have garbage. In British, we have rubbish. In American, we have vacation. In British, we have holiday. In American, we have cookies. In British and Australian, we have biscuit. In American, we have line. And in British, we have queue. Each has unique slang terms and saying. When you speak to an Australian, British, and American person, you'll hear different terms for the same thing. Hence, it can be confusing if you aren't familiar with the unique slang terms and saying for the specific type of English. I'll give you some example. First is Australian slang. We have mozzie, which means mosquito. In British slang, we have loo, Loo, which means bathroom. In American slang, we have dude. Dude is an informal way of referring to a person. Next, we have American spelling is different than the rest. If you already find it confusing enough, the good news is that there are only two spelling systems between these different types of English. Australian and British English share the same spelling on the most part. However, this is different versus American English. Example, humor. On the left side, there are OUR in British and Australian. Meanwhile, in the right side, humor without U is American English. Some example is centre, RE in British and Australian. Center in American English. And also this is the references that I use in variety of English. So, thank you for listening. Did you learn something or no? If no, then rewatch it again and again. If hindi pa din, ito talaga lang the joke. Goodbye!